subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss any updates from Jellyface.
Hi, I'm Aisha Singh. I play Sai Joshi in Gum Hai Kisi Ke Pyar Mein for Star Plus. And today we are going to do What's in My Phone.
Which phone do you have?
OnePlus.
What is your wallpaper and screensaver?
Wallpaper. There is a story to it. पता है आपको? We went to a cafe, me, Shavi and Shobi and my friends. So हम लोग ये बिल्ली कैफे के बाहर बैठी हुई थी and she was sleeping, धूप ले रही थी and we were clicking pictures. तो वो थोड़ी bug हो गई. So she suddenly turned around. We just whistled once. She suddenly turned around. She was like, and उन्होंने वो पोज करके रखा कैट ने for good 1 minute. She kept doing. So we clicked pictures and that she's showing her tongue. It's such a cute picture. Yeah. So that's my wallpaper.
Most used app on your phone.
Most used app: Uber, WhatsApp, Instagram.
How many alarms do you have?
You want to say? See? 5, 5:10, 5:15, 6, 7.
A few moments later.
Oh, कुछ तो अभी भी on है. So lot of alarms.
Who is the recent person you called?
Recent person I called. Shobit. Amar Dada Shobit. Yep.
Last text you someone on WhatsApp person.
WhatsApp, Siddharth. Yep, Siddharth Bodke. He's playing Jagtap. Yeah.
Most played song on your phone.
Most played song on my phone. I'll have to see. Kabira. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Yeah. These days I'm revisiting.
3 recent pictures on your phone.
3 recent pictures. Oh God, please guys. I'll have to see whether I can show you those 3 pictures or not. Oh, lovely pictures. I recently got gifts from fans. So there is one bouquet. There is a bouquet in a balloon, like littered balloon. Then there are letters. There is a coffee mug. So yeah, bouquet of chocolates वगैरह. So that's one picture. It's very cute. Then yeah, these guys, they came and they gifted on the set. That's the other picture. And there is one picture, but Zafar sir will kill me, so I will not show that. Then there is a little boomerang that I made while I was leaving, but I didn't post it. See, I'm socially very.
How many photos do you have in your photo gallery?
How many photos do I have?
Total.
$12,918 items. Oh my God. Oh yes. काफी सारे हैं.
Okay. Which was your first phone ever?
It was some Samsung phone. It was sliding. I don't remember the model name.
How
It's
many
used.
people are there in your block list?
I don't know. 2, 3.
What app you could not live without? Instagram.
No such app.
App request.
Yeah. I think in current times, anything which is like GPay or something like that. that will be difficult to live without, क्योंकि we are so used to of paying online and doing online transactions that, yeah, but I can live without my phone also.
The last missed call person you have.
Last
Miss call.
missed call, Shobit.
Okay. Most used emoticon.
Most used emoticon.
Person who you call the most.
My brother. Shobit, Shavi, and my brother.
The last picture you took.
We were doing a scene. उसमें मुझे दवाई की फोटो खींचनी थी, तो I have clicked. This is my recent clicked picture.
Okay.
And yeah.
Share a photo with a memorable backstory to it.
कोई भी एक ऐसा पिक्चर है
जो कि तुम्हारे लिए मेमोरेबल रहा होगा, साइड पे किसी ने खींचा होगा सोते हुए वगैरह लाइक.
Memorable, I think these pictures that I just have shown you, this picture for me is memorable because I received so much love from the fans, and it means a lot to me. So I think I'm going to remember this picture with good memories. Yeah.
the most embarrassing photo of yours.
That will be in my brother's phone. He will have all the embarrassing pictures of me. Yeah, Vishwendra is very
Are you
naughty.
phone addicted?
last.
Me? No. I just told you I can live without a phone. I'm not a phone addict. In fact, once these guys were telling me, Shivani Bua, Yamini ji and everybody was telling me, I have your phone from past 4 hours, because there was a scene where she had my phone. तो मेरा actual में phone उनके पास था 4-5 hours. और मैंने पूछा ही नहीं. I was like, and then everybody got surprised. तूने अपने phone के बारे में पूछा भी नहीं. You are not worried about your phone. How can you live without your phone? मैंने कहा I can. कहते now we understand. You don't see text and calls.
Okay.
Yeah.
Lastly, message to fans. मतलब फोन के लिए क्या बोलोगे?
Restriction like.
I think currently we are very we are very connected through social media, internet, and through our phones. But we should also try and balance it out. I really feel that, because we are always in our phones, so we miss out on a lot of things around us happening to us. We remember clicking pictures, but we forget to enjoy those moments. So I think there needs to be a balance. तो मुझे थोड़ा आगे आना है towards the social side, and few people should just try and balance it out with cutting down on being phone. So yeah, I need to be little more on the phone.
Thank
But
you.
yeah.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Teleface.